Okay, now we have one example. Okay, so there is a two alternatives there. Okay, alternative A and alternative B. Okay, that is the initial cost of the both equipment, then net present net income of the both equipment, then major expenses, and the salvage value is given to you. Now for the maximum attractive rate of return, it is at 20%. We need to carry out the discount present worth analysis for project duration of a 6 years. Okay, the project duration is what? 6 years. Also, now first before the start the solution or calculate the present worth analysis, we need to find out, or also we need to draw a cash flow diagram. Okay, so here I already draw a cash flow diagram. Just we need to write a equation. Okay, just write two figure. Okay, so here you can see that initial amount, initial cost is given to you, income, net income per annum. Here you just focus on per annum, and the major expenses is 4 lakh per 2 year, after 2 year. So every 2 year for equipment A, we need to spend a money about 4 lakh rupees at every 2 year, and the project duration is what? The 6 year is a project duration. So we need to find out that present worth of each equipment after the 6 years. What will the value after the 6 years that we need to find out, that present worth. So first we need to draw a cash flow diagram. Okay, here you can say the initial cost means what? 25 lakh rupees. Okay, 25 lakh rupees we need to invest, because here for the equipment A, here just I write that equipment A. Okay, so now net income. So net income is what? 3,50,000 per annum. What it means? It means that every end of year we get some income. We have some income, and the income is what? About 3.5 lakh rupees. So at every year 3.5 lakh rupees. 3.5 lakhs up to which year? 6 year. So this is the zero at the initial cost we need to spend after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 6 year. We get the okay. So this is the up to the 6 years. Okay, this is the extra. So up to 6 year we are getting some revenue from that project A or equipment A. Okay, from the equipment A. So this is the income from the equipment A for project having duration 6 years. Okay, also here there is a major expenses is there. Okay, so major expenses are 4 lakh at every 2 year, means after 2 year. So for that, like after 2 years, so 0. After 4 year we need to invest 4 lakh rupees, means 4, then 6 lakhs. Okay, so that we need to invest in money. Here why we do not invest after the 6 year? Okay, here 5 is remaining 5 and the 6. Okay, after 4 lakh we could not invest. Okay, I didn't want to invest a money at a 6 year. Why? Because the project duration is completed. Okay, so there is a no major expenses after the 6 years. Okay, so that's why we do not write here the 4 lakh rupees expenses. Just we need to write at after 2 year or after 4 year. Okay, also there is a salvage value is there. Okay, so this is your cash flow diagram is there. You need to write first that initial amount, then the revenue is generated, then there is a maintenance cost is there, and your duration. So all these details you need to mention in a cash flow diagram. For this is for the equipment A. Also you need to draw a cash flow diagram for equipment B. Okay, try to answer yourself to draw a cash flow diagram for equipment B. Equipment B. The all details you need to mention. Okay. Now the salvage value. Salvage value is what? Here you can see that for the equipment A, that 25%. 25% means what? The 25% of the initial cost. Okay, 25% of the initial cost. So first we need to calculate the salvage value. The salvage value is what? That 25% of a 25 lakh rupees. So it is maybe 0.25 into 25 lakhs. So it is 6 lakhs 25,000 is there. Okay, 6 lakhs 25,000 rupees salvage value of a equipment. Okay, after 6 years. So that is given. Okay, now salvage value is calculated. Now we need to calculate, we need to find the net present worth. Okay, now this is the important. The present worth of A. A means the equipment of it. The present worth for equipment A. So from the cash flow diagram you will easily write that first we need to invest the money, then after 1, 2, 3, 4 years we generate amount, so it's called the upper symbol go for the positive, and the below the line is indicate minus. Okay, so this is the outflow and the value is generated, it is the inflow, means the positive. Okay, so positive and negative sign is mentioned, you need to mention here. Okay, so using cash flow diagram you are able in position to which amount we need to add or which amount we need to subtract. Okay, so first present worth. Okay, so first we go for that inflow value. So here the series is given to you. So series, for series I have already explained you. For series, if there is a series, so you can use that series factors. Okay, that is the annual income is generated. So what? That annual is 3.5 lakh rupees is generated. So you can use this equation, present worth analysis at the annual income at the interest I number of year. Okay, plus your salvage value is there, that is the salvage value 65 point this is your salvage value. Okay, but also we need to find the present worth analysis of this value. So also you can write that present worth, this is the future value at the interest rate I for the number of year n. So this both value for that inflow value you can categorize, that is the inflow value. Okay, and there is a minus sign, go for the outflow, that is directly 25 lakh rupees. Okay, here at the initial, so no need to calculate present worth because at presently at that time we invest 25 lakh rupees. So at any time present worth, or you can say the investment cost is same 25 lakh rupees. Okay, but after 2 years, here you can see that after 2 years we invest a 4 lakh rupees for the major expenses. Okay, for the major expenses. So that for that 4 lakh rupees we need to calculate the present worth of 4 lakh rupees. So 4 lakh present worth. This is now how we calculate the present. Okay, already you know for the individual. Now we need to find out the present worth analysis in the combined. Okay, so first find that there is the for the revenue is generated after every year, that is the present worth generated annually at the interest rate I for the number of years. Okay, you can write n equal to 6 year. Okay, then plus the salvage value. You also need to calculate present worth based on the future amount at the interest I and the number of years 6. Number of years is the 6 you can use, but the equation may be changed. Okay, this is for the single payment and this is for the series payment. Okay, now minus the 25 lakh rupees is there, plus the 4 lakh rupees, the major expenses. Okay, you can use the word present here at the interest as n equal to what? N equal to 2. Okay, n equal to 2 because every 2 years. So first in a cash flow diagram you can see that after 2 years we need to invest the money. So here you can write 2. But after that same for the 4 lakh rupees, when we invest after 4 years, that also you need to calculate. So at the interest and n, the n value may be vary, the n equal to maybe 4. Okay, so here you need to put the value all equation here. Here I equal to same for here I equal to what? The 20%. Okay, so you need to put the I equal to 20 here. Okay, for the in all equation. Okay, a equal to what? Here use the equation 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 divided by I plus I into 1 plus I raised to n. Okay, that equation you use. For that finding the single payment, you can use the equation 1 upon 1 plus I raised to n. Okay, so here if there is a, you can see these types of